On April 28, 2026, in Grundy County, Illinois, deputies stopped a vehicle for speeding and suspected illegal window tint along Interstate 55.
Hello, how we doing? Deputy Postage. How we doing?
You doing well? How are you, sir?
I'm all right. My name's Deputy Postage. Just a couple things. You're going a little fast when you went by me. Nothing crazy. My ducks your tint, you know?
So, 1 second there. Do you have any identification, sir?
Do I have any identification?
Yeah.
For...
You're a police officer, right?
Correct.
725 ILCS, Section 107, 14. So, you just start me. Like you identify yourself. So I see you have your badge and everything there. You also have to identify yourself.
I am. I have. You see that I work for the Grundy County Sheriff's Department.
I can't mess that up. There's people that impersonate cops all the time.
Okay.
So
I will bring you my work ID. Okay.
I'm gonna sit tight until you do that.
Listen, I'm not doing this with you, man. Okay. I'm identified.
You're not doing what you want with me. You stopped me for illegal intent. I haven't broken any laws.
That is a law, sir.
That's a citation, not a law.
Okay.
That's a citation.
Okay.
So you also based on a police officer.
Mm-hmm. And I'm identified, okay? I have a nameplate on. You can see that I work for the Grundy County Sheriff's Department. I'm in a uniform, okay? G39 to G10. Can you 25 years?
So you see my ID here, sir?
I see it.
Okay.
You have your insurance card for your car?
The traffic stop, sir, that you said.
Yes, sir.
I'm just curious. No, I'm taking the fast.
Cars have to be, it's a very common, you have to have insurance on your car, okay? So for the vehicles going down the road, they have to have insurance on the vehicle. I'm going to wait for another police officer here to get here. He's going to stand here. I'll go get you my work ID so you can see it, okay?
14. 2115 is delayed right now for intended window review here on the highway by County Sheriff Grundy County. I'm Officer Post.
Yes, sir. G39. You would like to see my work ID to identify myself? I don't, because it's part of some law that he recited, and that he's in the middle of work.
Is the police officer at 7:20?
So I'm gonna go get him my work ID to show it to him. It's a piece of. I haven't talked to him about any of that other stuff yet. He's like on the radio talking to somebody. Huh?
It's fake.
I know. It's also his windows are tinted. Huh?
You have a ID?
I don't know. He showed it.
National ID?
It was in Illinois. Not that kind of ID for like work. He told me it wasn't my business.
Well, I can't see it.
Huh?
No.
No. See? How do you? That's a guy driving fast. Get on the.
You also have a warrant for your arrest. Come on, let's get out. I don't know.
Grundy, confirm it.
Get out of the car, or else you're going to catch some charges.
There's no charge to catch. I will get out.
Okay.
I asked him to identify himself.
Okay. It's not the game we're playing here.
It's not a game.
Right now, okay? We'll get to that point, but right now, you're in a traffic stop, so get out of the car.
It's a traffic stop. You know, putting on the car.
Your picture of the ID doesn't help you. Are you armed?
Not on me, sir. No.
Step around.
I'm not.
Where is it?
I'm taking this out of your pocket and putting it on.
Where's your weapon?
My weapon is behind the seat, sir.
Go stand over
Let's
there.
walk over here.
You're on duty with who?
USPN. I'm an agent of the U.S. Supreme Court.
Stand over here.
I'm Agent Kia. My badge number is 305-8396 with the U.S. Investigation Protection National, agent of the U.S. Supreme Court, in most of his duty as we are working. And I'm on the phone with my superior, Agent Bear Woods, sir.
Does your superior know that you have a warrant?
I don't have a warrant. My superior does know. My superior knows everything.
You're in the car?
I just shared with you what's going on. There's nothing to secure. Are you getting this 21 for 14? Everything's been recorded?
Yes, sir.
So they're over here saying that I have a warrant, which is not accurate. You and I know that.
Did you miss a court date?
Say it again?
Did you miss a court date?
I didn't miss any court dates, sir.
Huh?
I didn't miss any court dates.
Well, it's for contempt of court.
That's not legal. That's not a session. No, there's no rule.
Why would we make it up?
I'm not saying that you guys are making it up. I'm not saying that. I'm just highlighting to you guys that that's not accurate.
Our system says that you do.
And I'm highlighting that your system is inaccurate. That's what I'm letting you know.
Find that out.
That's what I'm letting you know.
I told him to.
Actually, identify himself as well. Like, this is part of the peace officer act. 725.
I'll show you my ID just so you're satisfied.
I'm supposed to try to, instruct you guys to know your job. I'm also trying to do my job.
Who are you with again?
United States Investigation and Protection National. We are officers of the U.S. Supreme Court. Badge number is 583.
Your department ID with you?
Say it again?
Your department
It's not on me right
work
now.
ID.
Thank you, Tyler. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Where's your department ID?
I don't have that on me right now, so that's why I showed it on the phone. That's why I showed it on the phone. Would you like to see it as well on the phone?
Please.
I have my badge. Okay, zoom in.
Did I ask you to confirm that warrant? Thank you.
So now, Grundy County. What do we have here? What's your officer? What's your name, sir?
Sergeant Corey.
Sergeant Corey. Okay, you are, sir? Say it again. Ties. Officer Ties.
What is the department you work for? Sorry, I'm not familiar. Are you a bounty hunter?
No, I'm a fugitive recovery agency, sir. Not a bounty hunter. Those are two different things. So, folks that deal with bondsmen, they're bounty hunters.
Gotcha.
So we deal directly.
I'm just not familiar with it. I've never heard of it.
I understand. Most people aren't.
Yeah.
Most people aren't.
It's part of the. It's like you fall under the state or the federal government.
We work directly in contract with the U.S. Supreme Court. We're overall federal agencies. We're direct officers of the Supreme Court.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you guys like answer to the Supreme Court?
That is correct. We answer to the justices. We are assignments with justice. We're also on task force with the FBI, Secret Service, and other folks. So
I'm guessing you guys do a lot of work with the marshals then too, with the fugitive stuff.
Yeah.
That's a Kel-Tec shotgun, which is a cheap junk.
Yeah.
Springfield Armory, which nobody ever issues a Springfield on. That looks fake. He showed me a picture of a badge that looks fake. It's the FBI's top 10 most wanted list.
Yeah.
He's impersonating a police officer.
I'm not impersonating anything. I'm an agent, U.S. Investigation and Protection National. I'm not impersonating anything, sir. You never heard me say I was a police officer. You never heard me say that. That's not happening. That is not happening.
Is that your duty issued weapon?
I am.
Is that your duty issued weapon?
That is my firearm, sir.
Is it your duty issued weapon?
I am not part of a law enforcement agency. I am a contract agent of the U.S. Supreme Court.
So you go around and arrest people?
We don't go around arresting. We have authority under Taylor versus Tanton to work on orders that are given to the U.S. Supreme Court. So whenever we get assignments to go out and actually do our research and bring folks into custody, that's what we do.
Bring people in custody?
When we're on duty, yes. Right now, I'm carrying out orders to actually go and see what's going on with a couple of those individuals in that list.
On the FBI's 10 most wanted list?
Yes, we got some tips, and I was asking my superior, who I've been communicating with, to go and check it out. I know it may be funny to you, but I hope it don't. I really don't hope you. I hope you understand what's happening. I really do. So, you guys are
regardless of all that,
you guys are delaying me.
You have a warrant.
And I keep telling you that warrant is not accurate. I understand what you're saying. I'm not disputing what you're saying. I don't have a warrant. A body attachment is not a
You
warrant.
understand what I'm saying?
A body attachment is not a warrant. No, a body attachment is not a warrant, sir. And on top of that, that is an unlawful body attachment that is being dealt with. That you guys don't understand.
It's not unlawful to us.
Well,
It's
it's
getting
it's an
confirmed.
unlawful.
Okay?
It's
Getting
unlawful.
confirmed. I'm gonna look into that agency. I'm gonna go look into it.
They said a body attachment for the I was supposed to set for a missing court.
I think it's for contempt of court. Let me look.
Does he have those 2 firearms in the car?
There's one more.
Okay.
It's in the armrest, sir. That's it. That's there.
It's for contempt of court, yeah.
He said for contempt of court.
Out of Cook County, body
Out of Cook
attachment.
County. Signed by who?
It just says Cook County. We don't get the actual. We don't get the actual document, so it just says out of Cook County.
The actual documents, it just says out of Cook County. So is there a warrant signed by a judge to have this incident, or just
We're confirming it right now.
because there's no judge that signed a warrant?
Listen, man, I can.
No, I know, but I'm just like y'all. Y'all delaying me in the midst of the work that I'm doing.
Springfield Armory 9mm. Springfield Armory 9mm.
Sir, are you conducting a legal search and seizure of my vehicle and my items, sir? What's your captain there? Is that a sergeant?
Yeah.
What's his name? What's his last name?
Black.
Sergeant Black. Are you doing a legal search on?
No. No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Because anybody with a concealed carry, you don't let me because you don't let me finish.
I'm sorry. I've got
Because-
what's going on, sir. Go ahead.
Anybody with a concealed carry permit, I could secure their weapons during our course of our business. And you have a warrant.
What? I don't know. That's not accurate. There's a difference. That's what you guys have to understand. There's a difference. Warrant of the body attachment is not. And you don't get the free right to raid through my vehicle. Looks like we're going to have to get the folks up there to deal with these guys. Is that right? They don't have a warrant. They have a body attachment. You can tell the body attachment without a warrant. But in the meantime, they're starting with this illegally searching through my vehicle. I'll get his name. We're gonna get his name.
Using U.S. investigations and what?
Underneath the Supreme Court. It said that they answer directly to the Supreme Court
The answer is directly to the Supreme Court.
and are given authority by the Supreme Court to go and
It's given authority by the U.S. Supreme Court to go up and follow up on leads for people
Fugitives.
or fugitives.
as soon as I walked up, he demanded my ID. He wanted my driver's license. I was like,
As soon as Tyler walked up to the car, he demanded his driver's license.
so I showed him my work ID eventually.
He demanded Tyler's driver's license.
He has no credentials either. Like, just pictures.
It's a picture on his phone. This is it.
Okay.
Officer Post.
Yes, sir.
You guys have business cards on your arm?
Yeah, I'll get to him.
And especially this.
Yeah.
No,
What about you?
you can write it down.
What? My pen's in my stuff. No. Well, every pen, no, I don't write well with every pen. That's why. Certain pens that I write well with. That's why I turned it down.
Sergeant,
Hold on one here. Agent Woods, hold on, okay? One second. What's your name, sir?
Brett. B-R-E-T-T. Black.
Sergeant Brett. B-R or B-E?
B-R-E-T-T.
B-R-E-T-T. Okay.
B-L-A-C-K is my last name.
B-A-L.
B-L-A-C-K. Black.
Like black.
G10 is my badge number.
Thank you. You got it in 5 minutes.
Listen, we're gonna wait to hear back from Cook County, and then we'll go from there.
Say
Okay?
again?
We're waiting to hear back from Cook County, and then we'll go from there.
All right, Agent. Look, you got it. Wait, neighbor. Who's he talking to? Body camera's on too, right, guys, right?
Yeah.
Ready to write it down?
I forgot to turn it on right when I got here.
Sam. It's 26. Now let's get Mr. Snowden. What's going to be?
Can you do me a favor and check your locals and see if you got information on the guy? We're out with a guy from Springfield saying he's with the U.S. investigation something. And he's got a bunch of weapons in his car, and he's like, he's got a warrant. Dewan Key. Yeah, he's like, I'm on the phone with my supervisor. He's got the FBI's top 10 most wanted in his passenger seat, saying he's trying to, anyway, can I give you his, I just didn't know if you guys had any contact with him. All right, well, he's from Springfield, so I figured I'd ask. Yeah. All right, hey, I got the FBI calling me. Let me call you back. Bye. Hey, sorry, I was on the other line.
3014 status. 102 from
Okay. All right, I appreciate it. All right.
Got an AOA and holding to assist with DCFS at 929
Okay.
Liberty Street. They'll be there in approximately 10 minutes in the red chair at Sienna.
Sergeant B-E-R-T-T-T Black B-L-A-C-K. Last number G10. Yep.
Thanks. What is this?
I don't want it. You went up there and demanded my ID. She demanded my ID.
He's got a warrant.
I ran the tag, and I was like, then I ran him, and he had a warrant. I was like, oh. And he's got dark windows. He's got 5%.
He's got a Kel-Tec shotgun and 2 Springfield handguns. Nice issue.
Which vehicle are you in, sir, if you don't mind me asking?
Why?
Because we're the same way that you're doing your due diligence, we gotta do ours.
I don't even know if you're a real police officer.
I didn't say I was a police officer, that's the problem. And they were saying I was a police officer, police officer.
You showed me a badge and an ID.
I showed you my agency identifications when I did, sir. I never ever once said on record that I'm a police officer. None of that. I never said that to you. Never said that. I know this is a little bit frustrating for you because you guys.
I don't know. It sounds like it's frustrating to you.
It's not frustrating.
I don't have the warrant.
I'm being delayed, and I don't have a warrant. A body attachment is not a warrant, sir. A body attachment is not a warrant.
You have a body attachment
A body
that would
attachment.
require us possibly to take you to the jail.
There is. It's not the same thing, and that's why I was trying to share with you that the body attachment is not a warrant.
This is odd. This is odd.
He's got.
He's also heading back towards his home, Springfield. And you're sitting there harassing me about not having credentials, and you don't have any credentials to say you are who you are. You just have a picture.
A picture, it's something on his phone.
Yeah, how am I supposed to know that that's real? But he keeps, he like recited some statute as soon as I walked up saying that I have to provide an ID. And I was like, I am identified, man. Like, I have a uniform on. He's like, yeah, but how do I know that that's who you are? And I was like, well, he wanted me to show him my driver's license. I'm not showing you my driver's license.
No.
No. I was like, I'll show you my work ID. I don't care. Let me see it. Makes you happy? Sure.
I was like, no, he's got a warrant. Or
Yeah,
I
I wasn't even going to go that way because it was already like...
I suspect that he's probably got a weapon in the car because he's got a code 15 and...
But he's like talking on the radio the whole time I'm out
What
there.
is that?
I don't know. He's talking to his superior, apparently. I've never heard of the Supreme Court having
what is it?
some sort of
Recovery agent?
Yeah.
What office do you work for?
U.S. Investigations and Protection Nationals. Agent Kia.
U.S. Investigations and what?
U.S. Investigations
Yes.
and Protection Nationals.
And Protection Nationals?
Yes.
FBI's got no record of him.
Yeah, national, no S. Badge number 305-8396. Agent Kia.
Who's your boss?
Joseph Bear Woods. Yeah, no, hold on. So we got a smile on the face that just
Joseph Bearwoods?
yeah. Why did you smile like that?
B-E-A-R?
So Joseph Woods, Joseph-P-H-P-H. Woods, W-O-O-D-S. It's on the
Did you
thing.
said Bearwoods?
Well, our name. We got names. Like guys got nicknames.
Oh, you're a sovereign citizen.
I'm no. You never heard me.
You got names.
You never heard me say that.
That's what you're trying to be, though.
That's not what I'm trying to do anything, sir. No, I'm not.
Yeah, all right. I get it
His
now.
name is right there.
All right.
You get it?
All right. That explains a lot.
Yeah. Heard me say that. And again, you assuming making statements that I did not make in body cam. He just called me a savage citizen. Never said that.
So-
that's Bob.
Who would we call to verify your employment?
Say it again.
Who would we call to verify your employment?
My superior.
It's part of the government. Not a private. Not a private.
No. He is my superior. That's
Right,
what I
okay.
report to.
Which agency?
So
Which government agency?
Joseph Woods.
Which government agency?
Joseph Woods. He is the head of
Which-
U.S. Protection.
Which government agency contracts you guys?
The U.S. Supreme Court. I've already stated that.
Okay.
Taylor versus Tantor is where our jurisdiction is. I can give you the contact information of my superior.
We got it.
He's a sovereign citizen.
I'm not. I never go.
No, go ahead, hang up the phone.
Turn on, put your hands on your
Hey,
back.
they're about to arrest me. I never said I was a
Turn on,
sovereign
put your hands
citizen.
on your back.
All right. I never said I was a sovereign citizen. I never said that. I'm not. That's
You
not
didn't
true.
have to.
That's not true. I'm not. Hey,
relax,
I'm
relax.
good. You ain't never about it. I'm good.
So your warrant is valid.
My warrant is not valid. It's a body attachment, sir. That's not a warrant. That was a lawsuit.
Your body attachment is
$100.
That's
your body.
That's not something. That's not.
I'm not making it up.
I know you're not making it up. I understand that. That's why I said they're getting. There's a lawsuit that's happening with that.
Okay.
So that's okay.
I'm understanding what's happening.
No, you really don't. You really don't.
Okay, do you have anything in your pockets, man?
No, I mean, the phone, easy to myself.
Okay, so what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna take you to the Grundy County Jail. Are you gonna be able to post your bond?
What's that again?
Are you gonna be able to post your bond?
Post my bond.
Yeah. $16,000 bond.
So there's a whole process. I don't.
Just say yes or no.
I can't speak to that, so right
Okay.
Because I need to see what documents I got. I haven't seen an official warrant at all. I haven't.
The car's gonna get towed and the guns are gonna get taken to the sheriff's office for safekeeping.
What sheriff? Grundy County, you guys?
Yes, sir. So once you get out and figure out whatever you gotta do, you can go to the sheriff's office to get it. Okay?
You just tell.
I'm gonna put this in here so you don't lose it.
Restart.
Do you need anything besides your wallet and your phone over the car, sir?
39's got a 95.
No, I think that's it. Just wallet and phone.
I go. He says Bear Woods, and I start smiling. He's like, "It's just Woods." I go, Bear Woods.
Got it.
That's a sovereign citizen name.
Now we get it. He did a good job playing it off like he wasn't. This is weird.
That's fake. As soon as I saw it, I'm like, that's fake. Like, I mean, he's got a concealed carry permit.
You're gonna sit right behind me here. I just want to watch the traffic. What?
How you guys gonna sit there out here?
It's gonna get towed. Yeah.
You're gonna be able to when else like that? The what? That's all I want to make sure no damage happens to it.
Yeah, you're good. We'll take an inventory of it and everything, though. Everything's on body camera, so hold on. Oh, let's go. Take a seat.
On the road.
Good?
Not really.
Huh?
Come
Okay, well, how about this? You gonna give me any troubles?
on. No.
All right. If you're not gonna give me any trouble, I'll handcuff you in the front so you're more comfortable.
You know
Come on. I don't know you. That's why I'm asking.
You haven't seen me get
Yeah,
in
you're
trouble.
good. You're
I've been
good.
trying to
So
verify.
no, you're good. You're good. Listen, man, I ain't gonna give you a hard time, okay? I'm just doing my job. All right?
Okay.
You're doing your job. I'm doing my job.
Trying to do. Yep.
You got a misunderstanding, whatever's going on with the court. You figure it out, and then that's it. Okay? This ain't personal for me, and ain't personal for you, right?
Of course not.
Yeah. So it is what it is.
Yep.
Get you up there, and then we'll get you out of here. Okay? Hold on. Let me lock him. I don't want to get told. All right, go ahead. You don't have a gun on you, correct?
No. All that stuff is in the.
Okay, let me just check your waistband real quick.
All I have with the knife down there.
Listen, I just handcuffed you in front. I don't want you to shoot me in the back of the head. All right? That'd be bad. Bad day for me, right?
Stop it.
he's got a shotgun with a Menards flashlight attached to it. Like, come on, man.
He's got the rip rounds in his.
Yeah. It's just woods. It's just woods. He was just like, it's just woods. It's just woods.
I don't know, man. I think he's impersonating law enforcement.
It's super close.
And then once you get up to the jail and stuff, you can call whoever you got to call, okay?
Will I be able to have access to my phone to get the number for
Yes.
you guys?
Yeah. Admin.
What is this?
I don't know. I'm like, are you really talking to somebody on that? What? That looks like it's from Menards too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a first for me.
He said, I go, who's your supervisor? Joseph Bear Woods. And I said, Bear? And I started laughing. I go, sounds like a sovereign citizen name to me. And he's like, I never said that. I'm like, oh, so you are. I mean, he's got a valid CCL. But he's dangerously good. Did you see the pictures he was showing me? It was of an ID and a badge.
Yeah.
I mean, that's dangerously close to impersonation.
I think he's impersonating. I mean, he's trying to intimidate us into not arresting him.
He's literally got a file that says like fugitives.
It's the 10 most wanted. FBI. Who's after the 10 most wanted of the FBI? Like, even if you're an agent, you're like, you go after the low-hanging fruit. You're never going to get Pablo Escobar. Like,
You're not doing it going down 55 in Illinois.
is he stalking these? Is he stalking these people? Like, as soon as I see this, I'm like, U.S. investigations. Like, what?
Well, I was looking at it, I was out the window, and it didn't say any, like, marshals or...
No, it's not a real, like, it's not real.
Yes. Fake. Further, I am not a United States citizen or a 14th Amendment citizen.
Oh.
I am a sovereign of the Republic. And
Sovereign.
There it is.
I never said I was a sovereign citizen.
You didn't have to.
You think
I
that's
need to look
enough?
into that seat.
I feel like we're pretty close. Yeah.
I think so.
I feel like you're pretty close to impersonating a
That's what I'm saying.
official. But this dude's running around with an FBI list and telling people he's working for the government on radios, and he's got an armory in the back of his car.
He's trying to use it to get out of
An arrest. I think you got enough.
Charging an egg, probably take his radio.
I feel like we shouldn't just give him his guns back at the very least.
No. Well, if we...
And probably this.
Yeah, I would take that radio and the file as evidence.
I think even Nelson's car.
He might have red and blue. He might not have red lights, but I mean, does he?
No, I don't think so.
Thank you. Alright, you guys good? I went to the office to make final changes to the cover letter and the memo documents for the DOJ and FBI.
For the what?
It says this is a note about going to the FBI.
Still good.
I need to use the restroom.
You what?
So I kind of need to use the restroom.
Okay, it's like a 20-minute ride, then we'll be up there, alright? I'll let you go. I ain't like you peeing in the video, so. Is it like, you gonna piss your pants, man?
Yes, sorry, they said it. Making the stuff up.
I think we're gonna wait until we gotta get to the jail, alright? Don't pee in my car.
He needs to get charged with impersonating. This is... These Dodges have got that. We can put the seat all the way
I haven't
forward.
looked under there. I need that yet. We're gonna have to take his phone, his computer, everything, if we're gonna do impersonation.
I think that's... He was trying to intimidate us, saying that he was some sort of law enforcement. I'm on the phone to call my superior.
He was on the phone and he was like, it was like he was defending himself. He's like, you're trying to, when you called him a bounty hunter, he was like, you're calling me a bounty hunter. He's like, they're calling me a bounty hunter, but we're not. We're whatever task force governed by, like, if you were telling your superior, you wouldn't need to tell him.
I was listening. I'm like, what? He said he works for the U.S. Supreme Court.
Yeah. As a recovery agent. That's law enforcement. If you have authority to take people's freedom, that's law enforcement.
Pretty good shape.
It's a nice car.
It's burning oil bad.
You got the mag.
Yeah, I'll take that tag too.
He didn't have an M&P. You gonna grab the mag? You keep it all together, and then we'll go. I gotta go up north anyway. I'm gonna head north.
You good, Tyus?
You gonna be good here?
Back here, yeah. Nothing else to that. I just put the sunglasses in the starter later tonight.
I kind of want to try to figure out if this guy's gonna catch any more charges, and then I gotta pick up my kid for briefly to take her somewhere, and then I'll be back.
Sounds good. Your turn.
Ultimately, the suspect was charged with 2 felony counts: false personation of a peace officer while armed, a Class 3 felony, and false personation of a peace officer, a Class 4 felony. Court records show a grand jury later indicted him on both charges. He subsequently waived a formal reading of the indictment, entered a not guilty plea, demanded a jury trial, and the court entered a discovery order as the case moved forward. As of the latest available court records, the case remains pending, with a status hearing scheduled for August 27th, 2026, and no final disposition has been entered.